Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, in this video, we are going to solve question number 2, sub question 1 of practice set 5.3 of standard 8 of Maharashtra State Board. Name of the lesson is expansion formulae. So let's go. If the question is 2a plus b cube minus 2a minus b cube. Friends, in the expansion formula, we expanded various formulas. Among these here, two formulas are together. First place, which formula we can use among x plus a bracket into x plus b bracket, a plus b bracket cube and a minus b bracket cube. Here we can use a plus b bracket cube, and at the second place we can use b bracket cube. Okay. In our last video, I explained you the strategy to solve such kind of questions. The strategy is, first of all, write down the formula at the appropriate places. Okay, so let's write the formula. If a plus bracket cube minus a minus bracket cube is equals to. Why I have written a plus bracket cube? Because this is useful for such kind of expansion, and a minus b bracket cube is useful for such kind of expansion. Okay, and why we are using formulas? The advantage is first, every time you recall the formula, so it is easier for you to learn the formula. And the best strategy of learning any kind of formula then by adding is to use it and learn it. So here we are using as well as learning. First thing. Second thing, we are going to expand it. Okay, so if we are dealing with formulas while expansion, means what is happening, we are dealing with same variables a b every time. Okay, so that is again making very much familiar to your brain with these letters and to solve it further. Okay, so let's go. If a plus b cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? This is the expansion of first bracket. Minus, now we are going to minus this second whole bracket, means expansion of the whole bracket, means there will be naturally more than one terms. As in first formula there are 4 terms, in the expansion of second formula also there will be 4 terms. So we are going to subtract all the 4 terms, hence we have to enclose them within the brackets. So let's enclose them within the bracket. So here expansion of this will be, which I am going to include in the bracket, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Clear, friends? Now we have expanded. Next thing is either add it or subtract it. That is totally depends upon this symbol. This symbol is of subtraction. So what we have to do? We have to subtract this second bracket from the first one. Clear? And we know, while subtracting a bracket, if there is symbol out of the bracket is minus or negative, symbol of each and every term inside the bracket will change. So plus a cube will turn out into minus a cube. Minus 3a square b will turn out into plus 3a square b. Plus 3ab square will change into minus 3ab square. Minus b cube will change into plus b cube. Clear? And we know that actually it is not fixed whether to add or subtract. It is depends on their symbols. First thing. Second thing, we can do addition subtraction of like terms only. So a cube and a cube, these are like terms. Okay, means we can do their addition or subtraction. Symbols are different, means we have to subtract. So a cube minus a cube, 0, means a cube and a cube, they are cutting each other. Plus 3a square b plus 3a square b, these are the like terms, symbols are same, means we have to do their addition. Their addition is 3a square b plus 3a square b is equals to plus 6a square b, right? 3 plus 3, 6, variable with indices as it is. ab square like terms, symbols are different, so we have to subtract. 3ab square minus 3ab square, answer is 0, right? Means they are cutting each other. B cube plus B cube. Once again, these are like terms. Symbols are same, means we can do their addition. So let's add them there. B cube plus B cube is equals to 2B cube. Symbol of both B cube is plus, so symbol of answer is also plus. Therefore, A plus B cube minus A minus B cube is equals to 6A square B plus 2B cube. Clear, friends? If A plus B cube minus A minus B cube is this, then what will be 2A plus B cube minus 2A minus B cube? Now friends, just by observation you will come to know that this A can be replaced by 2A. See, wherever A is coming, just below that 2A is there, right? Wherever B is there, this B can be replaced by B itself. So let's replace this A by 2A and B by B itself. Therefore, 6A square B is equals to 6 into 2A square. A will be replaced by 2A. So A square is replaced by 2A square into B. B is nothing but B itself into B. Clear? Plus 2 into B. B is B itself. B cube. Cube of B means cube of the only one term. So we have written it directly. Clear, friends? Now according to BODMAS, once formula are written and expanded, then values are replaced, then what we have to do? We have to apply the BODMAS. Okay. So according to BODMAS, let's solve this bracket first. So it will be 6 into 4A square into B plus 2B cube. Bracket over, there is multiplication. 6 4s are 24. 24A square B plus plus plus, all are plus, plus 2B cube. So multiplication also over. Then addition, subtraction. Addition or subtraction is not possible because all of the terms are like. Means what we have done, as our previous simplest examples with one formula only, we followed the same strategy. Strategy number 1, write the formula and write the formula and expand it. Strategy number 1. Strategy number 2, after expansion, replace the values in the formula. Replace the values in the formula. Strategy number 3, apply the BODMAS rule. Clear, friends? Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood concept explained in this video. You might have learned something new through this video. Friends, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a new video, you will get the notifications about it and you will not miss any of the concept of this simple subject. Thank you very much.